Hi everyone, we're going into module number 4 and we are going to go through chapters number 6 and 12 of your Merrill textbook, and we're also going to do our discussion board. And again, we're ramping up for our future assignments when we're looking at our critique and ultimately our final assignment as far as our synthesis assignment. So anyway, what I want you to do is really start looking at that critique rubric and start thinking about what we've already covered and what will help you. So look at that rubric, and that will help guide you in your readings as well. And what we're going to do is look at some of the key nuances of some of the information embedded within epidemiological studies and some of the things that you will be seeing as far as terminology in some of the studies that you will be reading, and knowing specifically what those components mean is really important, and that helps you to be an educated reader and an educated critique person as far as reading the information that's out there and really applying it to practice. Again, we're looking at how we're going to be an informed consumer of the epidemiological studies and how we can apply that in our practice wherever we happen to practice. So in chapter number 6, it goes through some of those general health indicators that are really important, and some of those factors that you'll see in the data that you're going to be looking at or have looked at in the past are like life expectancy, morbidity, and mortality, and there are nuances and differences about each of those and years of life lost. So anyway, those are things to consider and know what they are, so know what they mean, and it will help you as you move forward. And when we go into chapter number 12, we're diving into those screening tests, and whether those screening tests are really valuable or not is really important. We may have a screening test that doesn't really measure what we intend it to measure, and we need to know those types of things. We need to know the efficacy of the screening tests. So and again, this is ever so pertinent in everything that we do when we look at false positives, false negatives, those factors that really impact the overall information. So we're also going to be diving into validity and reliability, and please know that I've included some helpful hints for you and some resources that will help to explain some of the rates, such as attack rates, case fatality rates, going into validity and reliability, and incidence and prevalence. And I want you to really learn the difference between incidence and prevalence. And that's extremely important. Many times we use those terms interchangeably, and they don't really mean the same thing. So we need to have that educated level of language when we're describing some of the data that we're examining. So with that being said, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Again, we're really diving into some of the key nuances of being informed consumers of epidemiological studies, and not only will help you in this course, but it will help you in your future as well in your practice. So if you need anything, let me know. Thank you.